If starting work feels heavy every day, your environment is working against you. This is not about motivation, it is about design. Execution is not primarily psychological. Long before you decide to act, you are exposed. Your screen, your desk, your phone, your open tabs. Exposure shapes impulse. Impulse precedes intention. By the time you are trying to focus, friction has already influenced you. What friction actually is: friction is not inconvenience. It is the distance between intention and action, the number of steps between I should start and actually starting. Imagine two doors. One leads to your task, one leads to distraction. If distraction opens with one tap and work requires five decisions, your behavior is already determined. This is not weakness, it is cost structure. Behavior follows the lowest activation energy. If distraction is cheaper than execution, drift is predictable. The inversion: lower activation energy for work, increase activation energy for distraction. This is friction engineering. High performers do not fight impulse, they redesign exposure. Their first task is predefined, their tools are already open, their phone is not within reach, their start time does not fluctuate, there's no negotiation at the beginning, because negotiation creates delay. Delay creates avoidance, and avoidance compounds into identity instability. Environment is upstream from willpower. Upstream forces determine downstream behavior. The environment protocol: this is not about discipline, it is about architecture. Stage one: eliminate starting friction. Before ending your day, define the exact first task, 20 minutes only. Clear the desk completely. Open the required file. Close everything else. When you sit down tomorrow, there should be nothing to decide. If you must decide, friction exists. Stage two: make distraction. Expensive. Execution must be easier than avoidance. So, remove social apps from your primary device. Keep your phone outside the room. Log out after every entertainment session. Add a 10-second delay before opening non-essential sites. Small costs alter behavior. Behavior responds to cost structure. Stage three: stabilize entry conditions. Same time, same place, same starting sequence. Chair, notebook open, timer set. Repeated entry conditions lower activation energy automatically. You are conditioning environment, not emotion. Stage four: weekly friction audit. Once per week, inspect structure. Ask what delayed me, what caused hesitation, what felt heavier than necessary. Do not criticize effort. Redesign friction points. Small redesigns prevent long-term drift. The deeper layer: left unmanaged, entropy accumulates, tabs multiply, notifications stack, schedules fragment, clutter builds. None of it feels dramatic, but resistance compounds. Over time, starting becomes heavier, sustaining becomes harder, stopping becomes easier. Drift is subtle, but subtle friction shapes trajectory. Closing compression: you're not undisciplined, you are structurally misaligned. When activation energy is low, action becomes default. When action becomes default, identity stabilizes, willpower is reactive, environment is causal. Control the cause or manage the consequences.